Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Subaru Outback 2.5i all-wheel drive, stock number B9856A. 28,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, Twilight blue metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat, fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable mat for easy cleaning. Rear seats can also be folded from the rear with a pull of a handle on either side. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Outback has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. To read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters when the automatic transmission is put into manual mode, large touchscreen Starlink system for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. You can sync smartphones to AHA and Pandora radio apps. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Outback has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and a city average of 33 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Outback, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.